Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create variants in Figma. First, select your main component. Then, in the right sidebar, locate the Properties section. Click the plus icon next to Variants to begin. This action will convert your single component into a component set, ready for adding different variations. Variants are incredibly powerful for maintaining a clean and efficient design system, making your workflow much smoother and more organized. Once you have your component set, select it on the canvas. In the right-hand panel, you will see the Properties section. Click the plus icon to add a new property, for example, state. Then, for each variant within your set, you can assign a specific value to this property, such as default or hover. This structured approach ensures that each variant is clearly defined and easily identifiable within your design system, improving clarity and consistency. To create different combinations, simply duplicate an existing variant within your component set. After duplicating, select the new variant and change its property values in the right sidebar. For instance, if you have a state property, you might change one variant to default and another to hover. This method allows you to build out a comprehensive set of variations, ensuring all necessary design states and options are available for your components. Now that your variants are created, using them is straightforward. Simply drag your component set from the Assets panel onto your canvas. Once placed, select the instance and use the right sidebar to easily switch between different variant properties, like changing a button from its default state to hover. This flexibility significantly speeds up your design process, allowing for quick adjustments and ensuring a consistent application of your design system across all your projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.